Welcome everybody, Trading Jesus always here to update you about the prices, and today we're gonna talk about Gevo and what the price will do, because we got a bit of rejection at the technical area that we said in the last video. Hopefully you saw the video, so you capitalize on this information and you took a bit of profit around this level. So by tomorrow, the first trading session for the first month, this is the most important day to set incentive for Gevo to go to at least to $1. So let's see the chart, and without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to it. Let's go and see the chart, guys, and from here look with me closely, guys. Yes, let's go right to it. We did the video last time around 21 of May, and I told you guys we're gonna see a rejection around the $7.60, and guess what, we got this candle and accumulation for the price. This big candle, it happened at 26th of May. Then the price is being accumulated. You see with me, guys, it's like being squeezed, the price here. Then the moment we break, we got big candle with the rejection. As we predicted before, I told you guys we're gonna see a massive rejection. But the good thing that we're gonna discuss today, that I see is really good indication, whenever we go close to resistant area, guys, whenever we go to resistant area and we get rejected, but we get this kind of wick candle and we bought back all the been sold is been bought back really fast, is mean this is perfect like turnaround for Gevo, and this is why we we sold off until the 7.31, then we closed above our support here, and it became the resistant, became the support, now the resistant, and that's why we came above the support here around the $7.57, and then we go higher. We go around the $8. This is the psychological level. That's why we got sold off here, and boom, we got back around our support level, and this is really good again. And we have a bit of support from our exponential average here. This is really good. So now by tomorrow, as I told you, the first trading day for the first month, and this is really important, guys, because what we want to see for Gevo by Tuesday, by tomorrow, we need the price to never go below our exponential average. Here is really the price has been I don't know, like the risk management here is really tight. So whenever price go, like, let's say we might see a bit of test around the $7.33, but we should never visit even this area. But even if we visit, we should see a big buying pressure to take us high, and this time above the $8 the moment that we got rejected at the 28th of May. So this is really important stuff, because the last day of this month we got rejected around the 8, but we got hold up around our support area. We need to hold this technical area for Gevo in order to go higher. Let me highlight it here, guys. This is the technical area we have to watch out for. This is kind of the technical. We have to never go below it, or at least if even visited around the $7.30, we never have to have a closing candle but a wick like this candle to take us above and test the $8, then the $8.28, and here we might get rejected. But at this time, if we got rejected, we want to go back to 8, then we got buying pressure here and momentum to take us above the 828. As I told you here, a massive rejection as well. This is really important for Gevo, because from the small picture I can predict, guys, the momentum indicator for us here is kind of losing momentum. That's why we see a bit of momentum drop. So as I told you guys, it's good that we bounce from this area, this resistant area, but whenever we see a momentum drop, we have to protect ourselves. Like if we just go below the $7.30, this will prove my hypothesis about the momentum change, and this will take us really below, guys, and we might test the $6 or the $7, around the $7 exactly. So be careful if we just go from the $7.30, because I can see momentum change and dropping, but hopefully we don't go this below and we just bought back at around the $7.35 to go higher from there. Let's see the more big picture for it. And the big picture, as we can look here, we have the golden cross here, and the golden cross, as everybody knows, is a way of indicating from the chart a change of the trend. So hopefully this will it's a bit delayed. That's why I don't count on this indicator, because it's a bit delayed. Because the moment of we change of trend, it was at the 14th of May, and the golden cross happened at the 28th of May. So always don't rely on one indicator, because you need a lot of indicator to just prove your hypothesis at the same time to have high probability winning trade. And yeah, the momentum in the big picture, the momentum value momentum is above the zero, and this is good. And the smaller picture is indicating that the momentum is getting lower. That's why I told you guys to watch out for this area in order to just protect ourselves if we have a selling pressure happening. So this is kind of the things you have to watch out for in order to have I don't know, like safety net, and never rely completely that you know that the price will go up, because everything could happen in stock market. That's why you have to be resilient and have a flexible strategy plan, so you actually execute on, and never be stressed or panicking when you have some price go not on your way. This is kind of the things, even in real life, if you just have one plan to execute and this plan it went south, you never actually could do anything about it. You can actually improvise, and most certainly you prone to take the wrong decision. That's why here in the stock market we don't have to we could actually prepare before the unfortunate event will happen, so we could be prepared for it. So guys, if you interested in make your own strategy, or prepare for how you buy and how you sell and how you actually target the buying pressure and sell pressure, check my Patreon down in comment section below. We can actually discuss this, and at the same time Discord channel, we can you can join the group of hunters, almost 10 hunters right now at Patreon, so you can join this big tribe that's growing, and we can actually discuss the price pre-market, after market, and during market. So without further ado, guys, hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next video.